Hey everybody, I want to post a quick video about using AI in Illustrator. I am working on some new Udemy courses, AI in InDesign, AI in Illustrator, AI in Photoshop, and there are some exciting new options. AI is nothing new in some of these Adobe programs. You know, retouching techniques in Photoshop have been using what we could call AI for a while, but as far as generative AI, a lot of that is brand new. You know, it's been in development for years, but they keep adding new content, and I do want to talk a little bit about this pretty quickly in terms of using it as part of your process. If you want to subscribe to my mailing list, I'm going to put a link, email list in the description of this video to get notified once I launch these new courses. But in the meantime, there was a recent court case, relatively recent, that ruled that 100% AI generated content cannot be copyrighted. So if you want to make a logo or that you want to trademark, you want to create some content that you want to copyright, you can't just use AI and then copyright it. There has to be a certain amount of human input. I do want to show a quick technique in Illustrator though pretty quickly. I am besides those new courses, I am adding some new projects in some of my various courses and have some other initiatives going on in terms of online courses, even outside of Udemy. So go ahead and subscribe to that if you want. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel as well, because when I launch some of those, I will post videos about that here as well. For this quick logo I just made, I just went to generate vectors, and you can see I typed a symmetrical fox face logo. And we have a couple different options here, but I'm going to make this a little bit larger and hold shift to maintain the same width to height ratio. It's not symmetrical. So see this right here? Let me zoom in here. See what that looks like? And then I'll space and click and drag over here. That's a little bit different. So it's not technically symmetrical, right? It's pretty close though. But if I brought out guides, so if let's see, let me just bring up some rulers and just do it that way. Just click and drag from the rulers right in the middle here. It's pretty close. It's not quite symmetrical. Even at the top right here, see that top part of the ear is not the same over there. Same thing right here, not quite the same. So as designers, we really want to create logos from scratch if you want to make something that you made, but I am going to go through in these new courses on how you can use AI as part of your process. So let's just say you're making a brochure in InDesign, you don't have a photo from a stock agency, or you don't have an original photo, which is preferred. You can just have Photoshop make a quick photo that you can then use in the InDesign layout, and you're still laying it out, applying effective design principles and whatnot. So hopefully those courses will be helpful. Illustrator has updated as well a couple more options for AI and also non-AI related options in Illustrator, and I'll be going over that. I'm trying to upload to YouTube more often. I've been super busy with my university courses, different initiatives, but I am working on adding some more tutorials for Adobe programs, and also just general graphic design and photography tutorials in different areas like that. So be sure to subscribe here on YouTube, and the email list, I'll put the link in the description if you want to get a very occasional email about new courses or new free educational content like YouTube tutorials and things like that. I will put that in the description. All right, thanks.